This recipe doesn't need any soaking, but still you will get so plumby and soft fruits. So don't worry if you haven't soaked your fruits yet. So we'll start with caramelizing the sugar. Add half cup sugar to the bowl and keep the flame in medium and start melting. Keep stirring in between so that you will get even melting and you will get a good color. Now it is getting ready. It's a light golden color. So now you have to keep the flame in low. You should be really careful after this stage. It will get burned fast. So keep an eye. And now it is getting darker color. We need a darker maroon color. But don't burn the sugar. Now you have to switch off the flame. Keep stirring. See, it is nice dark golden color. Now it's time to add 100 gram of unsalted butter. If you add the butter, there is a less chance for you to burn the fingers. Otherwise the hot will be too much if you directly add the water. After this stage you can add 1/4 cup of water. Now switch on the flame and keep stirring. Now it's time to add all the dry fruits. I have taken dates, pineapple, both gold and black raisins, cherries. You can add whatever fruits you want and a little bit of tutti frutti. Give a good mix and now you have to add the orange juice. I have taken 1/4 cup. Then add 1 tablespoon orange zest, half teaspoon each cinnamon powder and nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon each candied ginger and shajira or caraway seeds. Give a good mix and we have to wait till it is boiling. Once it is boiled, you have to keep it in a sim for another 5 minutes so that the fruits will be soaked and it will be plumby. Then add 1 tablespoon orange marmalade or any other jam and switch off the flame. Take another bowl and add 3 eggs to it. Then add 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. Now mix it either with your beater or with your spatula. You just have to mix it, no need to make it very fluffy and all. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it thoroughly. Take 1 cup maida. Then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt and sieve everything together. This step will ensure the fluffiness of your cake. So don't forget to do this. Now slowly fold the maida mix. You have to do a cut and fold method. Don't over mix. It's getting ready and it's time to add all the dry fruits. In this recipe I have added 1.5 cups. If you want more fruits you can add 2.5 cups and in my cake I have added 2.5 cup itself. I love lots of fruits in my cake. It's according to your preference. Once you add the fruits also you have to mix it slowly. Now I am going to add the alcohol in it. I am adding 2 tablespoons of rum. If you don't want you can skip this step. Or even you can use the rum essence. And now we are going to add the nuts. The nuts I have coated with a little bit of maida so that it won't sink. Slowly mix it and our batter is ready. I have taken 8-inch pan and it is covered with parchment paper. Move the batter to the pan and we can decorate it with the cherries and nuts. You can either bake it in a stove top or in oven. If it is in stove top, keep it in medium flame for 20 minutes, then rest in low flame for 40 to 50 minutes. If you are using oven, then cook it in 170 degree for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now the cake is ready. You can brush it with any jam on top so that you will get a nice glaze. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.